Hey guys, welcome back. I'm aware it has been a while yet again, but I'm currently still waiting on internet to be installed in my house as my housemate has moved out. So that's going to be another week from now. So we're just starting off reorganising all of the kitchen cupboards, mainly just the cleaning one, as my housemate has moved out. So I've took on the tenancy, which is it's like a bittersweet situation because it's fabulous to have my own space, but it's very expensive to be renting alone again, but it's absolutely fine. So we're just going to reorganise the kitchen cupboards and give the kitchen a quick clean. This is filmed over 2 days and there's just it is a bit all over the place, so I will say that in advance. We've just got Harriet just having a little nosy of what I'm doing here. So this is the next day. You'll have to excuse the absolute state of me, but I'm just never going to be one of those people that dresses nice to clean the house. And I've got my glasses on because sometimes wearing contact lenses all day, it really hurts my eyes. But we're just washing the dishes, giving them a good scrub, and then we go on to cleaning the whole of the kitchen, giving it a good wipe down, and a hoover and a mop. Give the floors a quick mop. I have just soaked this microfiber cloth in some Sephora Springtime and rinsed it underneath the tap so it's diluted, and I'm just going to mop the floors with this. I do need to buy like a mopping bucket, like the Veleda one that I used to have, but I gave that one to my dad when I gave up when I moved out of my last house before I moved back in with my mum, and then we've moved again. So yeah, I need to rebuy a lot of things that I used to have. We're moving on to the living room. As you can see, it's a bit different to what it was. So these two blue sofas, they were in storage at my dad's that he didn't use. So I gave him the grey one from my old house, and then I also gave him the grey one that was in this house that you would have seen in the last couple of videos, and put these 2 blue ones in just because they're smaller and they just fit like the cottage space a lot better, and they're cute. And also I'm kind of over the whole like grey scene. I kind of want colour in my life, and after seeing on TikTok like the dog vision and cat vision and the fact that they can really see blue, I thought this would be really cute for the pets.
To know ya. Hey, delve into emotion, leave us in this moment. I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my
Moving on, I found these blue curtains in the boiler cupboard that's upstairs, and I thought that these will look really cute instead of having just like beige ones. So, you know, I'm just trying to brighten up the space with what I have without spending a fortune on new things. And these were already in the house, they were just like in a bag in the boiler cupboard, as I said. So I've just popped these on. I did hoover them, and I'm just spraying them with Febreze and then giving the window ledges a wipe down. As you can see though, this is a main road and there are cars going past constantly. It's not a massive issue. It is loud if the windows are open or on vent, but if the windows are closed, like it's not as bad. But living on a main road, it means that the cats can't go outside, but they don't really go out anyway. They used to just go out for like an hour a day. Well, Harriet did, just to have a quick wander. But so the cats are now fully inside cats. Yeah, now we're moving on to adjusting the TV. This is my old TV. I've moved with this TV like 3 times. It's a very old plasma, so it's like burnt at the bottom. You can see the yellow line. But again, I don't want to buy more furniture or anything brand new. And if it works, what's the saying that's called? It's like, if it's not broke, don't fix it. So that's the vibe I'm going for. And then I'm just going to pop some unstoppable beads on the carpet, because the Hoover, it kind of had a weird smell to it, even though I did clean it recently, and it's got some Soflora inside of it, like in the Henry bag. But I've just thrown some beads, unstoppable like laundry beads, on the floor to kind of freshen up the carpet, and then also to freshen up the Hoover, and this just makes it, you know, smell a bit better as I'm hoovering. Coops has a signature spot, which you'll see in a second, which is right by the front door. And this is just the last part of the video. It's just the section of my bedroom that this was my desk from downstairs, but it wasn't really used as, I didn't really store any like stationery or anything in it at my like to work on. I really needed this upstairs for storage for like all my makeup and hair stuff and, you know, women's situations and like contact lenses and whatnot. So I'm just reorganizing all of these drawers now, and that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Once I have installed internet that works a lot better, then I will try and upload as much as I can. But yeah, thank you guys for continuing to support and watching these videos, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.